Hi there. I recently participated in a Valentine swap. It was hosted by Hey It's Rhoda, and she's a really fun hostess. She always makes the participants the cutest hostess gift. I'll save that for last. So this was a Valentine swap. We had certain requirements, and I got the one from Tammy. Oh, I guess better cover up her address, sorry. And on Instagram, she's Pink Daisy Studio, and on YouTube, she's also Pink Daisy Studio. So I will link that. And I'm going to pull this label off. Well, I'll just take it out of the package. So anyway, it's packaged super cute. Here's a charm that fell out, but I think I can figure out where that goes quite easily. Isn't that cute? We had to do 5 stacked envelopes, different sizes, and they had to be sewn, and then we had to hold them together with some kind of cute decorative ribbon. And look how adorable this is, you guys. I absolutely love it. There's the mesh from Dollar Tree, this cute yarn. How cute just to put those together. And pom-poms. These are little white pom-poms. This pink pom-pom is adorable. And then she's got some heart ribbon in there. Just absolutely adorable. Love it. And you know, the red and the white, that would be cute for Christmas as well, if you're doing a Christmas swap, or even to put on a Christmas package. I love red and white and pink. Those are 3 of my favorite colors together. Okay, and then she's got these cute little picks. Aren't those adorable? And she's just held them together with washi tape. What a cute idea to decorate that. Baby. Okay, I'm going to do this video, and then we're going to go get your medicine. I have to give her these drops that have like steroids in them, and it kind of helps her throat relax. And it's nothing they can fix. It's just with age. So I just hope that she's going to be okay with medicine for a long time, because I can't bear to lose another one. Okay, look how cute. So we had to make decorated paper clips to go on each envelope. And then I'll show you what's inside the envelopes as part of the requirement as well. So aren't these adorable? Look how cute. She's just put foam, and then these are little cutouts, ephemera. And then she's got a heart right there. And this just opens up a little bit, and then you put the paper clip on. It's got like, I think they have magnets in them. Look how cute. You can see the paper clip right there. I don't know, maybe they don't have magnets. But so cute. So cute. I love it. I love this collection. I'm not sure what collection this is, but I sure love it. So in this envelope, and look how she's sewed. Right here she did like a squiggly thing. What a cute idea. And the whole thing is just sewn. It's just, oh, so fun. And I love this paper. So, okay, we had to do some die cuts. So here's the die cuts. We have Kiss Me, Valentine, XOXO, Love, and Crush. We had to do 5 die cuts. Super cute. I'm excited to use all this stuff for Valentine's next year. I'll be saving it. Okay, and then another cute paper clip. This one has a darling bow on it. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. I'm going to make some of these. Look how cute. She's just got foam and then covered it up with some cardstock. And then there's the paper clip. Easy to make. And then you put on a jump ring and a charm. So cute. Oh, and then in here we have, okay, we had to do 2 embellished, layered ephemera pieces. So look how cute. She's taken these hearts and she's layered them, and then she's embellished them with postage stamps from the collection, some envelopes. I bet she made the envelopes. And then it looks like a piece, you know, underneath that has like a flag embellishment where you cut out the ends, and then these cute little paper pieces. Aren't those adorable? Those will be so fun for next year. Okay. Another cute paper clip. So this is where this goes. So I will fix that. That just goes on there. It's funny how stuff just kind of gets thrown around in the mail. You never know how things are going to arrive when you package up your swaps. And then we had to do hearts, and they had to be sewn. And she wanted us to just be creative. So these are all super cute. Look at that. Look how cute she sewed right there. I love, those are sunglasses. This is, I bet this is from Scrap Diva. I think I have this die. Isn't that cute? And that's adorable as well. So cute. I love those. Do you guys like crafting for Valentine's Day? I think it's fun. I'm not a big craft for Easter person. And I used to do craft fairs for Easter, but I just kind of got tired of it. I decided I'm only going to do craft fairs for Halloween and Christmas. Look at this cute bow. She's just die cut that out. It's with felt. Put it on a paper clip. She's got a cute little round cardstock there to cover the glue and to help it stay on. Isn't that cute? Cute idea. And then again, she's done this cute wacky sewing right there. That's adorable. And let's see. Oh yeah, we had to do a memory Dex card, and Rhoda wanted us to keep it flat so that next year we can take it out and we can decorate it ourselves and use it for a swap or a gift or whatever. So super cute. I love that. That's adorable. I love that paper too. It's so shiny. And then here's another paper clip. Man, she's so creative with her paper clips. I love those. If you want to see what I gave, my video is on my channel. And then we had to do these ribbon paper embellishments. And she wanted us to be creative with what we put on them, but they had to still be pretty flat so that the person can use them to decorate. So she's got cute lace. And look how cute. This totally matches all these. It goes with them. That is cute. That's almost too cute to use. I think I just want to keep that. And then velvet ribbon, darling. And strip of paper that she sewed down the middle. Super cute. More cute ribbon. More shiny. That's adorable. And that's adorable too. I love these papers that she used, this collection. So, and that's it, you guys. That's the swap, and it was so fun. And really, Ro comes up with these cute ideas. This swap really made my brain have to come up with ideas, you know. I really had to think harder than what I usually do. It was fun. Now, let me show you what Ro made for us. It's adorable as usual. She's such a good crafter. Hey, it's Ro. If you want to find her, but I'll put her link. So look at this, you guys. I can't wait to show you this. When I saw her making these on her channel, I said, well, even though my sewing machine broke, I'm going to have to hurry and get it repaired and get sewing. And I did. My sewing machine broke in the middle of my swap. And I took it to the repair shop, and they had it back to me 2 days later. So then I messaged Ro and said, can I still get in if I send it priority mail? And she said, absolutely. So I'm so glad, because not only did I want the fun swap, I wanted what Ro was giving, because I always love anything that she makes, because she's such a great crafter. Isn't this ribbon choice adorable? Eyelash lace and yarn, just cute as can be. Okay, you guys, now really, look at this. Okay, this paper clip is so cute. And she sews everything. She is a big paper lover sewer. She sews everything. Isn't that so cute? Oh, it's just layered up there. Adorable. And look at the bubbles. She's got some cute sequin mix in. And then she wire wraps all of her beads. And she sells them too. I have this container right here that I've bought a lot of her wire wrapped beads. I love her beads because they're already done and they're so easy to throw on anything that you need. if you're doing a dangle or you want to decorate something. They're just adorable. And look at that pink heart right there. That's my favorite thing I've ever seen. I'm going to ask her if she has any, though. She can sell me. Oh, so cute. Isn't that cute, you guys? I mean, really, look at that. Oh, she's just so creative. And look at this. Okay, how does she have this on here? She's just got a glue dot on here. Let's see. Well, double-sided tape, I should say. And that is on there. So she's just taken this little bag, plastic bag, and sewed these papers to look like a bag of candy, and it's just full of flat backs and charms. Oh, those cherries are my fave. I love those. Cupcake. I'm not going to open it. It's too cute to open. Cute charm. A pom-pom charm. A heart. Just cute as heck. And she just had it glued right there. How cute is that? And then this is her envelope. And of course it's all sewed. She makes the cutest bookmarks. So now I can put this bookmark in the book I'm reading right now. And then here's her memory decks. And she's decorated it for us. Look at that, you guys. It's a gingerbread house done with Valentine paper. I would have never thought of that. And she has sewn this and her sewing is so good. I mean, it's just perfect. Just absolutely perfect. She's probably the best sewer I've ever seen because everything is just straight and lined up. When I sew, it's kind of like, and I think she has a good sewing machine. My sewing machine does not sew this good of stitches. And then look how she's decorated it. She's got this heart with a watering can ephemera, a heart, a little strawberry that's to die for, a tiny little tassel, and then she's done a paper ribbon like what I showed you that I got, and then there's a piece of paper that she's just sewn around, and then a cute little ephemera holding a strawberry, and how cute is that with this strawberry, and then some ribbon here that's hearts, and then love us. Absolutely adorable. Oh yeah, on Instagram she's Nifty Crafty Me. You'll want to check that out because she has a lot of her craft. She makes a lot of things that she puts on there for sale. So you're going to want to check that out. Okay, I just love it, Ro. Thank you so much for hosting. It's absolutely adorable. I'm going to put this up on my shelf. I have a big shelf where I put all of this kind of stuff on it. And then that way I can just stare at it every time I'm in my craft room. Cute as heck. Thank you for this, Ro. And Tammy, thank you. I'll put both their links. Go check out their channels. Give them some support. And I hope you like everything as much as I did. Thanks for watching. And I'll go give my dog her medicine and have a great day.